Hi, this is Joel Johnson with today's Money Wisdom Answer. The question is, what is important about healthcare and the cost of healthcare in retirement? So first of all, let me paint a scenario that a lot of people are going through. Many folks out there have saved enough money to retire early, maybe at age 60, maybe at age 62. However, the reason they keep working is to pay for health insurance, to get that cost sharing on health insurance that I can get if I'm working for somebody, right? Typically the company pays part and I pay part. The costs are astronomical now for insurance premiums. Yes, they were supposed to go down with the Affordable Health Care Act. They did anything but go down. They've actually gone up. So I had a couple recently I was talking to, and again, around age 61, 62, they were about to retire, and yet they were trying to figure out, how do we pay $2,500 per month for the next 3 years for health insurance? And I think Fidelity a little while back did a study that said for a couple during their retirement, they're going to have to pay well over $200,000, maybe even close to $300,000 during retirement for things that aren't covered by Medicare and Medicare supplement. So what we do when we do a financial plan is we reserve an account just for healthcare expenses if folks can afford it. Some people can't. Some people just have enough to pay income in retirement, but others that can, we actually set up a reserve account, or at least we plan for it in the financial plan so that things that are not paid for by insurance or unexpected things that maybe are sort of health related but not quite an insurable situation can be paid for out of a side fund. It's a major issue in this country, and we've got to focus on that when we build a financial plan for you. So very important, if you're working with another financial advisor, ask that question, what am I going to do about the cost of healthcare? And we're not even talking about long-term care, which is another issue. If you enjoyed this topic and you want to hear more, just click on the link.